Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to use Binance app voucher. So to get started with a quick and straightforward guide on how to use the Binance app voucher. So the first thing to do is to open the Binance app and sign in into your account. The next thing is to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then select the reward up from the menu. Then from there you have in the reward up, tap on my voucher. Then under the ongoing tab, you will see the active voucher. Then from there you can simply redeem a voucher of your choice. So find the voucher you want to use, then tap on the eye icon to view the details like the value, the expiring date, and the applicable product. Then tap use and then confirm by tapping use reward. Then the reward will be credited to your spot wallet, and that's how you can simply use Binance app voucher. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button on, subscribe for more content like this. Thanks.